If you're a realtor currently running or looking at running Facebook ads, whether that's yourself or through a marketing agency, I'm about to show you how you can 10x your lead quality. Now, I know that's a pretty bold claim, but the thing that I'm about to show you is the secret that we've used with all of our clients at Visionize Marketing in order to completely prevent any tire kickers from even being allowed to enter your pipeline. That way, the only prospects that you're speaking to are actual homeowners who are serious about selling or buying a house. So without further ado, let's dive in. Now, first off, if you're currently running Facebook ads or you're working with a marketing agency running ads, you're probably doing something like this. You have the ad, and then when someone clicks on it, it instantly just sends them to an auto-filled lead form with their name, email, number, and maybe the home address. Now, most likely the ad you're running for sellers is going to be a free home valuation or free seller's guide, etc. And with that, the issue with this funnel is you are going to be getting a ton of people who are clicking and filling out that form, but majority of them are not actually serious about selling their house. They're really just curious, they're just browsing, or they have crazy timelines, whatever it may be, or they're not even a homeowner. And that said, that is why the lead quality is so poor. Now, how do we go about fixing this issue, you may ask? Well, that is going to be through something called conditional logic. So essentially, how this works is you're going to have the ad, and once they click on it, a qualification question is going to come up, such as when are you looking to sell your home? Then you have all the different options, ASAP, 1 to 3 months, 3 to 6 months, 6 to 12 months, and then this option at the bottom. Super, super, super important. I'm not looking to sell. I'm just curious about my home's value. Now, with this, and anyone who clicks on this option, you're actually going to disqualify them as a lead, not allow them to come through. Then we're going to ask another question. Are you the homeowner? Yes or no? Once again, if they click no, we're going to disqualify them. And then, and only then, we'll get their contact info. So what this actually looks like is something like this. Essentially, this is a setting that you set up in Facebook when you're making your lead form, and you have your questions, and these 4 options are going to lead to the contact page. So where you get their contact info, their name, email, number. You could also ask their address, but if they say that they're not looking to sell, they're just curious, you're going to disqualify them. And then same goes for the are you a homeowner question. If they say yes, we then take their info and let them become a lead. If they say no, we disqualify them. And this is what that disqualification thank you page looks like. So very, very simple. Thanks for your interest. Thanks for taking the time to fill out this survey. Unfortunately, we are at capacity for personalized home valuations. Please come back at a later date. And as you can see right here, they won't be allowed to become a lead. So now, through this system, you're disqualifying any tire kickers who are either not a homeowner or they're just browsing. They're just not looking to sell. They're just curious, whatever it may be. Once again, we don't allow them to come through as a lead. Now, one thing to mention about implementing this strategy is your lead costs will increase. So anytime you add any sort of qualification questions, extra steps for someone to become a lead, in general, your lead costs are going to go up because there's more friction. It's harder to become a lead. There's going to be more drop off, etc. Now, when you add disqualification questions using conditional logic, where you're actually disqualifying people who answer a certain way, now your lead costs are going to go up even more. So let's say with the auto-filled form where you're just running an ad to the auto-filled lead form, with those, your lead costs might be $8, $6, maybe even cheaper. But once again, the quality is going to be very questionable. On the other hand, if you implement disqualification questions and conditional logic, you may only get 20 leads, maybe 25 leads, but of those, the same amount convert. So now you're dealing with less leads, less work, less time for the same result. Because once again, you're only spending your time talking to the most serious prospects who are actually serious about buying or selling a house. And with that all being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. And if you're a real estate agent who doesn't want to spend the time, energy, and effort to build out systems like this yourself, feel free to book a call with me using the first link in the description down below to see if we'd potentially be a good fit to work together. If not, no worries. There's a lot more free value to come, and I'll see you in the next video.